All right, boys, it's Monday. Let's do it. We got 1 minute plus a couple other minutes. Let's do it quickly, though. All right, so starting off, of course, with Euro USD, we were seeing wicks above a previous high time frame supply area, some tops, a level that we were really interested in there, denoted by the purple line, and we're seeing massive rejections here, and even on the higher time frames, weekly and whatnot, we are seeing retests of, the daily right here. We are seeing retests of this demand, the supply, and rejecting off of it. Breaking back down on a lower time frame, we do expect these lows to be swept out down here. Let's just put a target on there, target down there, and most likely all the way back down to this most recent demand zone, and possibly even further back down to retest the support turn resistance SR flip down there. But that is going to take quite a while. So most likely for this week, I think the highs are already in, and we are looking for lower lows targeting that area. Any of these other pairs, such as AUD USD, Pound USD, and U-Swiss, are basically following the exact same logic. U-Swiss being the opposite of EU that I just denoted before. Continuing down with UCAD, we've just completely blown out of that first area that we did think that it could be bouncing off of. But we are going down to this next final area, last line of support before a major drop off. So we're most likely going to see a massive bounce off of that area. I think a lot of people are going to be looking for orders somewhat like I have here. So what do? You don't do the same thing as them. You watch to see how it reacts and then jump in after, because most likely market makers could be diving this down, stop out all those people, and then you can jump in on their losses. UJ, we did perfectly bounce off of a weak-ish demand zone area, but we're bouncing off of it quite nicely. We did reject off of that supply, so it's a little bit up in the air. I don't have any major calls for you on UJ here, but we would like to watch this supply if we do get back up there to see if we could get a short in at that level. Anything lower, I would just look to see wicks below this low, sweeping those stops as a possibility to get into a long. EG, we were able to catch a long on the Monday open here on the New York session there. A nice, beautiful long, but we do think that it's going to be coming back down, seeing sweeps above those highs and retesting this order block right there. It was exactly what we were looking for. Now we're rejecting back off. After we saw that bounce there, I do think that this is going to get eaten up, and we are moving down for these lows down here we've been talking about for so long. That's it, guys. If you want to see more of the analysis and hear me talk not so fast, jump into the streams. And if you want to jump into a Discord community where you can talk about trading and such, link in the description, as well as a Signal group there. If you guys want to learn from me in more detail, there's a website as well. You can check it out.